Hey guys, it's Nick with Future Chevrolet. I'm showing off a 2018 Premier Suburban. This one happens to be a rear-wheel drive model. It does have the tow package and the locking differential, so better than some of our other guys' four-wheel drive. Those limited slips keep on slipping. Anyways, I want to show this thing off to you. It's a great find. One of the last 2018s on the lot. It's a great deal. But anyways, this one is basically loaded. Has the HID headlights, the LED daytime running lights, the chrome mirrors, the chrome grille, the chrome 20-inch wheels. Has all the keyless access with the push button start, keyless locking right here, power folding mirrors, inside power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, dual power seats in the front here, heated and ventilated. This Premier model has some active safety features, some forward collision alert, and some lane departure warning. That's nice to have on a road trip. But black leather heated and vented seats. We got the navigation system in here, Chevy MyLink. Works fabulously. Still has a CD player option, one of the few cars with it. There's 3 zones of climate control, dual in the front and a 3rd zone there in the middle for the back, which can be controlled from the back or the front, and you can even lock it out if you have button pushers back there. You can see I'm running the heated and ventilated seat on my side, actually just the ventilated. One of the things about the Premier is it's got this nice center console with some hidden storage up underneath here. The other ones, it just has an open console. And again, like I mentioned, the wireless charging pad. It works for my iPhone XR, but your phone may or may not fit in that little slot. But bucket captain seats there in the back, and 3 more seats in the 3rd row. Makes this a 7-passenger vehicle. This has the sunroof on it, and it has the navigation system, and some XM. It does not have the rear seat entertainment, but a lot of folks aren't going with that since we equip the OnStar system now with Wi-Fi. So anyways, this thing's got a Wi-Fi hotspot going in it right now. You can
OnStar ready.
Press the black and white button.
Wi-Fi. Please see the
Wi-Fi settings
for
there.
Information about your Wi-Fi hotspot settings.
And if you wanted to log on, you would just look for that Wi-Fi hotspot and pop in that password. It is case sensitive. And you can customize that from the mobile app or just by pressing the blue OnStar button and telling your advisor what you'd like it to be set as. Kind of a nice service to have in the vehicle. A little bit more high tech. Neat little hidden storage here. The screen rises up, and there's a nice little cubby hole back here with an extra USB port. So kind of nice. You can lock that out in valet mode, and it will shut off the radio and the navigation. So the only thing the valet can do is drive the vehicle and park it for you. But very well equipped. I'll show you the rest of this here real quick. This one has fixed running boards. Some of them have a power folding one, but the fixed ones are nice and sturdy. You can see this 2nd row seat has been flipped forward. There's a power release here on the C-pillar on the inside to make it easy if you want to get out of the back, the 3rd row, if you're riding back there. But air conditioning vents in the ceiling as well as in the floor. Very nice way they have the Suburban set out. Of course, all the Suburbans have the tow package as standard on here. You see all the cargo back here. That's the best part of the Suburban. So you can use all these seats, fill them up full of people.